we're gonna play Arma 3. Whoever has the most guys in those markings every minute or so gets a point, and then whoever gets to 100 points first wins the tournament. We're not gonna shoot anybody with little green things above their heads, and everybody looks like they're really doing what they should be doing, which is great. This is very nice. So we're driving into the AO. Our goal here is to obtain the precious rifle called the Cyrus. Kilometer away. Oh no. Oh no. If we pop a tire, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh mama. The hull. Oh, our hull is hurt. Oh god, not the hull. Oh no. Okay, we're fine, we're good. The truck is heavily damaged. Oh, we're really getting somewhere now. Gonna be good. Here we go. Fast and the Furious, this. Oh, there's a tree. Oh, the hull. Oh, mama. Oh, big tree. Oh. Not only did my truck just get totally, but I think I went. Oh, it blew up. Holy to my guy. We haven't even made it in yet, and he's my guy. Listen to him. Holy look at the tree. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. I took it down though. We're almost to the zone. Oh god. Is that a bomb? Yeah, that's a bomb. Watch out for that bomb. Let's lay down and let Mr. Arma rest for a moment. Oh god, we're getting shot at, boys. Oh Jesus. See those two bolt holes right there? Oh, it's close. Probably just the guy on the other side of there, the ridge over there. On the yonder. We're gonna sneak up behind these boys. I think them blue 4. Got 2 of them. We killed each other. Okay, we're up. Treat yourself. Oh, mama. Let's take these grenades. We're gonna need them. Alright. Let's go, boys. Oh, what? Ah! Why did it not tab out? Oh, that was a bad guy the whole time? Oh, can't see Jack with his window. Ah! I can see that. No! Oh! Oh, yeah. Now we're really catching some speed now. Oh, there's a pile of trash. Watch out. Oh, watch out with the pile of trash. Okay. Oh, this will be a good one. I hope we not hit nothing. Oh. That worked out. Ah! Ah! No! Move, because this rifle's gigantic. Oh, there we go. Hello. We got a runner, boys. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh. Oh, gotcha! Uh-oh. Did I get him? I killed him! Yeah, we're not leaving this bunker. We're staying in this bunker for life. Almost was gonna kill you. Any bad boys up here? No bad boys. I think we're gonna turn up the volume a little bit. Should have popped out by now. So he's probably over there, but oh, there he goes. Oh, he's a fast one. Oh, come on. Oh, is he dead? Gotcha! Oh, come on, dude. Come on, bro. What are you doing? Don't stand up there. Come on, dude. You're dead. Oh, there you are. Oh, gotcha, boy. Ooh, gotcha. Who did I get? Katsu. Oh, he's my buddy last game. I liked him. Got him. Gotcha. Gotcha. Through the tree, big whaler. Through the tree.